Today we're going to walk you through the process of using the Safety Report Scan app to do a COVID-19 assessment of visitors and or employees that are coming onto your work sites. We know that a lot of you are having to deal with that right now in the current climate, and the process can be pretty burdensome and it creates a lot of paper. With the Scan app that we've developed, you can complete that process and make it completely paperless. Let me show you how that's done. We got an employee coming onto our site today. Hey Eric, how you doing?
Good.
I open up the Scan app, click the scan button. He's got a QR code on his helmet. Once you scan it, it'll pull up all the relevant information specific to that employee. All you have to do at that point is click the inspect button, and a simple 5-question checklist opens. The first one isn't even a question. It just says to take the employee's temperature, which I'll go ahead and do. We got a rating of 98.7. So we'll go ahead and open up the app. We'll record the temperature. 98.7. It gives us a range, and it lets us know right here that if the temperature is less than 100.2 degrees Fahrenheit and no other symptoms are present, we can allow this worker on the site. So Eric passed that first question, and we're going to go ahead and save that. I'm going to ask you 4 more questions. Last 14 days, you had a fever, cough, shortness of breath?
No.
Excellent. Last 14 days, have you returned from international travel, domestic travel, cruise ship, river cruise?
No.
Last 14 days, have you had any contact, close contact with a person that's symptomatic, laboratory confirmed COVID-19?
No.
And then the last question in the last 14 days, have you been in the same indoor environment as a person with symptomatic, laboratory confirmed COVID-19 for a prolonged period of time?
No.
Excellent. That completes the process. As soon as I submit that inspection, it goes into our database, and it'll show who did the inspection, who was inspected, at what day and at what time and at what job site. All that data is available to your administrator from a website. That completes the process, folks. It's that easy, completely paperless.